welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Erin Condren Back to School Star Wars collection. This is a collaboration with Erin Condren. I would like to thank Tori and Sam and the team at Erin Condren for sending this to me to share with you guys. So if you've seen my previous videos, I am currently in the middle of an office reorganization, and so we'll be unboxing on this couch for fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what we got. All right, so first up is, I think this is a lunchbox. So we have the Millennium Falcon with Star Wars over. Let's see what this is. I don't see anything in here, so I can't give exact names on what it is. But this looks like one of their lunch boxes. Yeah, so we have a lunch box, and actually it's a pretty decent size, and it looks like it expands. Okay, so it can open all the way up to, which is actually really cool. So this is the lunch box, and I gotta figure out how I did this. Alright, so that is the lunch box. And then we have the Star Wars triangular pens. These are not new. They have had these. I'll have last year's Back to School Star Wars collaboration video linked below, where I do a pen test on these. But these are part of just the general Star Wars collection, as well as the Star Wars sticker book. So again, same amazing designs, not trying to belittle them at all, because I absolutely love this entire collection, as y'all know. But we have the sticker book, and then we also have the snap-in dashboard. Again, two main items from the Star Wars collection. All right, and then we have a new design, it looks like. So it looks like it's Jabba's palace, and on here they have do or do not, there is no try. It has a silver metallic. I don't know if y'all can see that. You have R2 and C-3PO, and then this looks like it's a notebook. There's the new structured dashboard interior on these, which I absolutely love. And then this is a lined notebook, so perfect for back to school. I've been using my lined notebooks for my stats class that I was just taking. I really love using Erin Condren notebooks. They also have the new tab inserts that keep selling out. Those are great to make your notebook a 3-subject notebook. They just snap in. I'll have them linked below. But that's probably how I plan on using my next notebook for class, is to use that as a 3-subject notebook, and I'll have a video coming soon on that. But yeah, I love this new design. Here is the back. I just love all of the covers and everything Star Wars has on. Alright, and then last up is the planner, which I'm going to flip the camera onto my windowsill and show y'all what this planner looks like. So here is the notebook, again, just in this angle, again, absolutely stunning. And then here is the newest Star Wars cover. It matches the lunchbox, so definitely same color scheme. I really love this. I really like how they did this design. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what planner they sent. Oh, so they actually sent a vertical layout. So I thought it would be an academic planner. I wonder if that's a mistake. I will still flip through it because they sent it, and this is back to school. I've actually used a vertical planner for back to school, so I guess I can go over that as well while we're flipping through this video. So we have the canvas vertical layout, and so this is the neutral planner. And so you have your 12 months, and then your monthly calendar, monthly overview, and then your weeks. So again, here is what the neutral looks like. So you have 3 sections, and then you have your notes at the bottom and a to-do list on the side. So when I use this, I believe during my master's, I had 3 classes, so it worked out perfectly. So 3 classes was full-time. and they really didn't want you to take 4 at a time. So I broke this down by class. So yeah, I just had 1 row per class, and then the notes was just any like high priority, any deadlines, anything that I wanted to mark. There were some weeks where I also just put when like actual class was. So if I, you know, went from 6 to 9, I put that down there. It really all depended on the semester, because as y'all know, I change things up every semester. But there are so many different ways. If you just have one planner, it's really great to have maybe like homework and school. And then other ways that I think that I've seen you can use this as an academic planner is if you have like morning classes, afternoon classes, and then have a section for like studying or homework. Honestly, any 3 categories you want, this is the perfect planner for it. Again, I use it in my master's program. You might see some posts from, yeah, I think I do have some posts on my Instagram from a few years back on this, but it's definitely perfect if you want to use it for personal and school, or just school. So yeah, that is the vertical planner, and then that is everything that they sent. So I will have links to everything below. If other new items come out, y'all know I will buy them, and I'll do a follow-up video on this. But really love the new designs. Really think that the lunchbox is cool. I work from home, so I'm probably gonna give this to my husband because he has to go in the office, and so I think he'll really like this. I'm gonna give that to him. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.